This is how to make a cheese mouth. You start with a square napkin and you fold it in half so that it's almost like a mask. Then you fold the two ends into the middle. You turn it around and you roll the two sides up till they come to the corners. Then you turn it over and you fold in one side and you fold in the other side. Then you turn it around and you take the two napkin ends that are stuck out there and tuck them into that little spot. Then you turn it inside out. You roll the outside into the inside and you roll the outside over the inside till all of a sudden, as you watch, and then, oh, look there. There popped out a head. And as you watch, and oh, look there. There popped out a tail. And there you have a cheese mouse. Ta-da-da-da-da! And the characteristic of a cheese mouse is that whenever that it jumps, whenever anyone says cheese, and you have to catch it before it gets away. But if anyone says cheese again, it jumps again. So you have to be on the alert so that whenever you have your cheese mouse and anyone says cheese, that it will jump. Ta-da! There's quite a difference between a folded napkin and a cheese mouse. And only anybody can fold a napkin, but you have to be special to be able to have a cheese mouse. First place, the cheese mouse has to sit on your hand in a certain way, and the certain way is like this. And the reason why that's important is that the trigger for causing the cheese mouse to jump is this little finger. And the little finger has to be at a certain point in the mouse's posterior to create the way for it to jump. And the reason why that's important is that the other hand, which is caressing, folding, and comforting the cheese mouse, has to cover up the action of the trigger, which makes the cheese mouse jump when anyone says cheese. Oops, there it goes. And for one thing, the audience shouldn't be able to know exactly when the jump is going to occur. Only the person who is controlling the cheese mouse knows that. So bear that in mind when you're holding the cheese mouse on the launching platform and getting ready for a performance. And you specify who's going to say cheese. If it's you, that's fine, because you know when that's going to happen. If it's going to be somebody else, then you have to be aware and have to be ready. So if someone says,
"Does your mouse like Cheetos?" What kind of cheese does he like? Is he particular? Like, does he like Parmesan cheese?
Yes.
Havarti?
Yes.
Oh, he really likes Havarti. What about provolone?
Yes, not so enthusiastic about provolone, but he loves all kinds, including cheddar. Ooh, that seems to be like maybe his favorite.